So we would like to power this Raspberry Pi. Oops, upside down. And that's to do some interesting computation. And we would like to use solar power. Okay, this is a 24 watt panel. And the question is, can we just directly connect that to the Raspberry Pi? And the answer is, of course, not, because this will have the peak power voltage 18.8 volts and the Raspberry Pi needs 5. So what we can do is that we can power this through this USB board, which outputs 5 volts. So now it's like well, again, the question is, can we just directly connect to the solar panel? And yes, we could. It would work as long as the sun is out. But a little cloud comes and the Raspberry Pi will stop working. So we need some battery solution, but the batteries, the lead acid and the lithium batteries, they don't like cold. So we need some other thing, other solution, and this is a super-capacitor bank. And each capacitor can roughly hold half a watt hour. So this should be like theoretically like 3 watt hours. That would be able to power the Raspberry Pi for like half an hour. So there will be time for emergency shutdown when the sun goes away. And this one again cannot really connect it directly to the solar panel, because we cannot charge the supercapacitor bank higher than 16.6 volts. So therefore we have a voltage converter here, which can have these input and output ranges. And with this, well, we can set it to 16.6 max, and that would charge the capacitors, and then that would supply power to the Raspberry Pi. And in order to monitor all these, we have very fancy analog current and voltage meters. Of course, we need cables and fuses and switch and mounting gear for the Raspberry Pi. But again, that's the idea: solar panel, supercapacitor, and then the Raspberry Pi.